we wanted to be the first people on the train, then we had to have been behind them. Or in front. Doesn't matter. Who's Kim? Ava's, Illy's, Zara's, Illy's, or Amy's, or mine? Or mine? This is mine. Guys, wait, me and mine are on the team. Are we your favorite cousins? Don't touch it. I'm not.
You're moving in the repair stuff that I have to do.
Yes? Hong Kong. Hurry up. James. Maybe. Pause the video and try to oh, good. My baby. Just too busy to post.
You just tag me on it.
Good afternoon, folks, and welcome to the Cincinnati Zoo Safari train. If this is a good volume and everyone can hear me clearly, please give me a big thumbs up. Alright, before we get started, I have to go over a couple of safety things first. As a reminder, please ensure any and all children are safely seated either on a bench or a parent's side for the entire duration of the ride. If a child is sitting on the bench, they must be sitting on the right-hand side next to the silver chain and green bars. This is for their safety. Food and beverage is not allowed to be consumed on the train except for water, and all riders keep their arms and legs inside and remain seated at all times. Please secure any loose items now, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
Yes, please, let's go.
You're on YouTube.
Since we go around the park today, I'll be pointing out different animals as they come up either on the left or the right hand side. Do keep in mind that I am sitting at the very front of the train, and for you guys who are sitting more near the back, it may be a few seconds before said animals are visible for you. Coming up first on the right is going to be our Mexican wolves. I will ask you guys now to please not howl or bark at them. They do not hear that in the wild from humans, so we do not want them to hear that here. We have 4 Mexican wolves, 3 males, Bruce, Shadow, and Wyatt, and we have 1 female who is named Elaine. If you guys look right underneath those fallen trees in the middle of the habitat, you can see them laying down.
You don't get it. You're the best. Yeah. Why are you even
Coming up on the left-hand side is going to be our flock of Verder flamingos. We'll be coming around again on this trestle loop, so you will be able to see them again.
Like the nature needs them. Flamingos! Flamingo!
directly past the flamingos, so we are going to start to speed up as we are going to be going uphill shortly. At the end of the curve is going to be our Eurasian eagle owl. I'm coming out now so you guys don't miss it. And she usually is sitting in the small brown box at the top right corner. Her enclosure is this black webbing with brown middle posts. Looks like she is not in the box currently, but she is sitting up on some other trees. On the left, we're going to pass by some of our barnyard friends. Looks like the llama is asleep, and the alpaca is having some lunch in the back. On the right-hand side, you can see our Galapagos tortoises.
Seems like to me. And it, there's water over to the side.
As we come on the Swan Lake, you'll be able to see a few different species of waterfowl, most common of which are going to be mallard ducks. We also have wood ducks, red ducks, and hooded mergansers. We also have two large trumpeter swans, one of which is on the opposite side of the fountain. If you want to pinpoint where she's at, look at me, look at the fountain, and look directly across, and you'll be able to see her. And other than birds, we also have freshwater turtles, though I don't see any currently swimming themselves. You guys might be able to spot a couple of them swimming in the water.
I want to jump in right now. I saw it. Yeah. It's gone, at least. Mama's still kind of looking. See the swan there? Where'd it go? Oh, Ellie, sit down. Can't stand up. You'll see what it is. Look, you see it? I see it. Aw, it's so cute. Yeah, it is so cute. Are we already done?
Alright folks, as we begin to pull back into the station, this is just a reminder to please remain seated until we come to a full and complete stop. Thank you for visiting the Cincinnati Zoo today, and thank you for riding on the safari train.
Not right now. I do. I meant like the.